thank you everyone for being here. I'm very pleased to be in New York today. Today I'm going to talk about everything around Android App Bundle from start to deployment. So as an introduction, I'm Julien Salvi. I'm the lead Android engineer in Circle. I'm based in Paris. I'm part of the Paris Android user group. I'm an Android GD, and I like to listen to punk rock music and drinking IPA beers. And you can follow me on Twitter at Julien Salvi. All right, so today I'm gonna cover what's Android App Bundle, and then how you can moving from the old APK distribution to the new AAB format, from a Gradle perspective to updating your CI/CD, and then I'm gonna show you how you can use Bundle tool to test your new AAB format. And then I'm going to show a bit what's happening with AAB and the associated feature, so with asset delivery and dynamic features. So let's go first about Android App Bundle. So Android App Bundle is a new format introduced by Google a few years ago. It means to ship optimized APK to your user, so you don't need to do some split APK anymore, to say, okay, I want to target the ARM764 or x86. You just need to ship your bundle, and then the Play Store will deliver the best optimized APK to your user. For example, here, when you have your AAB for Pixel 2, for example, so it's gonna target the right architecture, the right dimension, and the right language to the dedicated device. So let's see what AAB brings for your users. So when you're shipping a new AAB, what it looks like inside, so you have all your base module here, with your assets, manifest, you have your DEX resources, assets, and so on. And you can also ship some dynamic feature and asset pack. So for example, if you only need a feature for target users or that match certain conditions, so you can ship only the feature for these users. And if you are developing games, for example, you can benefit from asset pack to deliver huge assets like textures, sounds, material, and so on. So with that, you will be able to ship optimized APK that targets architecture, resolution, and language, and also you can benefit from delivery huge assets and dynamic features. All right, so what does it bring to your users? So it's a new publication format made by Google a few years ago. So it will produce a .aab file instead of an APK. It will allow you to distribute smaller APKs to your users. So as I said previously, it will enable play features and asset delivery. And it will also have a positive impact. It means less download time, less megabyte downloaded by user, more space for them. So when we did first the migration to AAB at Circle, so we looked at our plain APK and how much space it can save with the new AAB format. As we are using a lot of native library, so lots of .so file, so the APK went quite huge, almost 70 megabytes. But with the AAB and targeting the right format, we can shrink to more than half of this size. So when we are doing this AAB, so there are some key advantages. For us, it's minus 60% of the size. Like we ship like a 35 megabyte APK to our user instead of previously like a big 65 megabyte APK. So it means like, yeah, we decrease the APK size, less download time for our users and for updates, and also we save a little bit the plans. So if you remember, like when Google did the mad skill things on the Play Store, when you can test your project if you are using like the latest Android X version and so on, you can also experience if you didn't get the AAB format yet, what percentage AB can save for your app. And then, for example, if your app hits like 1 million users, you can sell like 22 terabytes of downloads. So that's pretty huge and non-negligible impact for your users. And it's a good thing like to move forward with that. A lot of companies are using these new formats. So, for example, Duolingo, LinkedIn, Netflix, and they reduce a lot the APK size with this new format. Okay, so do you need like to migrate to this new format? Not so new format right now. It's not mandatory right now for all apps, but it has many great benefits, like reducing the size, a few nice features. And if you are distributing your app outside the Play Store, maybe no, it's not like maybe the right move. Like if you are using some third-party store to distribute your application. But if you are building a brand new app and want to distribute to the Play Store, yes. It's actually mandatory to go for this new AAB format since August 2021. So it's mandatory for new apps in the Play Store to target this new AAB format. All right, so let's see how you can migrate your app from like a plain APK to this new AAB format. So we're gonna see how you update your code base, then how you can update your CI/CD to distribute your application, how to deploy to the Play Store, and see another view of the Play feature and asset delivery. All right, so let's go. Okay, first, when you are building your new AAB, you have to put this configuration in your Gradle file. So in the bundle lambda, so you're gonna say if I want to keep all the language or not. So by this, you can keep all the language we have in your application. If you want to change, for example, your language at runtime, you must not specify that you want to enable the split for the language, so keep it false. But then I want to split by density, and I want to split by ABI as well, so split the APK by architecture, so ARM, x86, and so on. And on the Gradle configuration file, that's pretty much it. Then you just need like to run the Gradle task like bundle release or bundle debug as you want, and it will generate your new AAB just like that. So once you have like your plain new AAB generated by Android Studio, so for example here it's our distribution thanks to fastlane. So on our CI/CD it's running on GitLab here. So inside it fastlane, and we have a job that you can like deploy to the Play Store. So let's see how we can use it. Okay, there's a new lane here. It's pretty much the same if you want to release a plain APK or something like that to the Play Store. So here we're gonna run the task like bundle release, sign the APK, and then we're gonna use the upload to Play Store function and specify that we want to skip the APK like push to the Play Store, and we want like the AAB format to be pushed to the Play Store. So, and then you can put like the rollout as you want, target the track if you want to push to production or in the beta track. So kind of easy, like to sign your AAB, release to the Play Store. It's pretty much the same, like just one few things. It's just like you need to use the skip upload AAB if you are using fastlane, and your AAB will be pushed to the Play Store. And do not forget like to enable the app signing on your Play console. Unless your AAB won't be usable on the Play Store. So once you've enabled the signing, you can explore all the AAB you push in the Play Store by going to the App Bundle Explorer. And there you can also browse the download and then choose all the APK that has been generated by App Bundle to your users. For example, if a user has like a bug on a specific device, you can get the specific APK from that device. So here in the App Bundle Explorer, and then you can get the APK that has been generated. All right, so let's see now how you can test your new AAB thanks to Bundle tool. So how we can manage testing this new file. This new file cannot be directly installed on your device, so we have to use Bundle tool like to generate an APK from the AAB file. If you want like to use directly this new AAB file, you can use like the test this new AAB format. So if you push a new AAB in Firebase app distribution, get the app and you can download the AAB on your device, but not the AAB, but it will generate this new APK from the AAB file. So how we can convert an AAB to an APK file. So let's see how we can use Bundle tool. So Bundle tool is a jar file and it's maintained by Google, so it's regularly updated. So here, for example, we can generate a set of APKs from your AAB, so it will match all the rules you have defined, which resolution, which language, and which architecture you target. And then, if you have an Android device connected to your laptop or to your farm or so on, you can, from these zip APKs, you can install the dedicated one targeted the device. If you want to target a specific device, you can get the spec from like this device, generate the specs, and then from the APKs that has been generated from the AAB, you can like download the targeted APK for this device. All right, so let's see Bundle tool in action now. So here I'm in my terminal. I have my device here, so it's running. Okay, so we have this new jar, so the Bundle tool jar here. So there is a bunch of commands, so you can use like build the bundle, build the APKs, get the device spec for a targeted device, like also get the generated size and so on. So here, when I am here in my folder, so I have a debug AAB and I have my jar file from Bundle tool. So I have my connected device right here and want to generate the spec. So let's see, we're going to use like get device spec, and it will be generated into a like device.json. Get device spec, of course, like demo effect. And okay, so I have my brand new generated JSON here. So if I want like to see what's going on, okay, come on, nope. I'm gonna just get the device JSON. So it's a bit huge here, but it generates almost everything you know about your device. So what AAB it supports, what local you are using on your device, all the features that your device is capable of, all OpenGL extensions, so about what texturing does the device support and so on, what screen density and what min SDK. And by that, with all these specs, a bundle tool will be able like to generate the targeted APK from the AAB file. Okay, so let's generate our AAB for that device, and let's use app bundle tool. We're gonna build the APKs app. Let's bundle is app debug.ab, and as an output it will be just my app.apks. Of course, I build. Okay, once again. Okay, so now you can see like we have all the APKs generated. Like it will be all the split APKs that can be installed for your device. And then as my device is already connected, I can just target like up. Just do like the jar bundle tool. I'm gonna just install the APKs from the APKs. So I'm going to app.apks. And of course there's an error. Installation failure. Okay. Yeah. And now it's working because I had a newest version on my device, but the new one is installed. So here is the screen of my device. If it comes up, yep. Here I have my brand new APK, my brand new app generated from the Android app bundle. So I can generate it again to show live app. Gonna uninstall the app and then come on, app. The new dev app. Okay, bundle tool, no, sample API, okay. Tac, up, and if I want to install the new app, come on. And then the new APK is generated. Hard, but it's working. All right. So now you've seen how bundle tools is working in action. Let's see how you can integrate bundle tool within your CI/CD. So you can use bundle tool within your CI/CD in order like to deliver a plain APK or targeted APK. For example, if your QA team needs like with their automation tool like to have like a specific APK, you can build it like from your CI and deliver it to your QA team. And that's what we are doing here at Circle. So we are using bundle tool to deliver a specific APK to our QA team. So we are using GitLab CI here. So we have a Docker image where we install the jar file from the release of bundle tool. So we extract the jar and make it running on our CI/CD, and then once everything is running, so we can define a script. So we can use bundle tool like to build our targeted APK from the AAB that has been generated on the CI. And as we want like a plain APK, we can specify the mode. So we're gonna target the universal mode. So it will be like a plain APK that does not like target any architecture or language. It will be like the big plain APK. We're gonna send it, and then we're gonna send it like to app distribution, so our QA can be able like to use it. So that's pretty straightforward. You can use the command line I show you, like to generate the APK from your AAB format and like deliver whatever APK you want. Okay, so now you've seen like how to move to AAB, how you can test this new format, and how you can use AAB like to generate, you can use bundle tool like to generate APKs and so on. So let's see the two main features AAB bring with this new format. So let's see a bit about the asset delivery and the dynamic features. So what kind of feature they bring? So asset delivery is great for games mainly. If you want like to download a big bunch of assets to your app. As you know, there is a limit on the Play Store, so an APK cannot exceed 150 megabytes, if I remember. So if you have lots of assets and they are big, you can benefit definitely from the asset delivery. So these assets will be downloaded once, for example, the app will be installed, or you can ask the user like to download when they launch this new the new update or the brand new app to download these new assets. So you can like at the beginning have like a very small APK and then download all the assets you need. So as I just previously said, so you can configure when and how the asset can be installed. And for dynamic features, so you can like deliver a new feature to targeted user. So at the beginning, they don't need, for example, if you have like a in-app game or something like that, you can like download it at the moment they need this new feature, and it's not required like to add it at the beginning of the app when they launch it. So you can like download the app when they reach like the point to download it. And it also allows like to have a fully modularized application. So you deliver the feature you want to your users, and your application will be fully modularized. Okay, so let's dig a bit into the asset delivery feature. So there are 3 delivery modes. So install time, the asset will be delivered when the app will be installed, and no need like to download the thing. It will be served as a split APK, so the user won't be aware that something needs to be downloaded. It also can be removed as well from the user. And then there is the fast follow. Here the asset will be automatic downloading when the app is installed. And then the most common thing is like the on-demand delivery mode. So here the asset will be delivered when the app is running and when the user reach the asset that is needed for this app. Okay, so but there is also some limits here. So as I said previously, the APK limits is not 150, it's just 1 megabyte. But with the new AAB format, you can reach the 150 megabyte limit in the Play Store. But each asset packs also have its own limitations. So each fast follow or end-demand asset pack cannot exceed 512 megabytes. An install time pack cannot exceed 1 gigabytes, and all assets that can be downloaded from your application cannot exceed 2 gigabytes. And one last limit is you cannot have more than 50 assets with your app bundle. Okay, so let's see how we can configure our new asset delivery package. So you're gonna create this new module called your asset pack something as you want. So in the assets folder, you're gonna put all your assets you need for your app, and then in your Gradle file, you're gonna put this configuration. So you're gonna define in the plugin that it's the com.android.assetpack, and then in the asset pack lambda, you're gonna define the pack name and the delivery type, like it's in install time, fast follow, or end-demand. And then in your main build.gradle file, you're gonna define all the modules are defined as asset pack will be listed as a list of packs here, like all the modules that is needed here. Okay, so this summarizes what kind of asset pack do you want to have and how do you want to manage it. When you need it at install time, it will be automatically available when the app will be installed. So even when the app is launched, it's going to be there. And then the most complicated part will be the on-demand thing. So when the user reach the feature they need with the asset pack, so we're gonna ask to download the assets. So it's important to notify the user that he needs to download all these packs. So you're gonna also notify it. Once the download is completed, you'll show the user he can use this new feature with the brand new downloaded assets. Okay, so how can I download these new assets? So we're gonna use the dependency available from from Google. So you're gonna use the asset delivery KTX library, and to access the assets, I'm gonna create a package context with my app, and then with this manager, we're gonna open a stream with the dedicated asset name you specified in your module. And to download it, we're gonna check how you're gonna check like the size, how much it takes to notify the user, and then we're gonna request like the feature like to be downloaded, and this can be listened in order to notify your user. So if you register the listener, then you can check if the download is in progress, has been completed, if that's been failed or so on. It also like there's a nice status here in order like to not to download the big asset pack if the user is on mobile data, for example. So with this status, you can like notify the user and make sure it completes the download and everything is going fine. Okay, so now we've downloaded the asset pack, so we can use them on the device. Let's see a glimpse of the dynamic feature. So dynamic features like allow to give the dedicated feature that the user wants at some time. No need like to ship everything at the beginning, so it will allow like to give extra feature when at some point to the user. Several delivery mode as the asset pack. So there is the install time, same as the asset pack, conditional and on-demand delivery mode. So conditional is more like about like the device configuration, and on demand it will be like when the user reaches a point in the app, they will be able like to download this new feature. And also as mentioned in the asset delivery, make sure to notify your user about the download states when they are downloading this new feature. If the feature is not needed anymore, do not forget to uninstall it. So let's have a quick overview here. Quick because I think it's tomorrow this afternoon. Alexandre will like deep dive into the dynamic feature, how you can use it in your app. It will be like very, very specific and oriented to dynamic feature. So if you are interested in learning a lot more about that, make sure to attend this conference. Okay, so quick look how you can define your module as a dynamic feature. So you're gonna define your module with a new plugin. So it will be like command dynamic features. And in your main build.gradle, you're gonna define all the dynamic features that you want. So your feature 1, feature 2, and so on. And in your build.gradle file that is dedicated to your module, do not put any signing config, minify property, or any version name code. So the dynamic feature could work properly. So in the manifest or your module, your new dynamic feature, so you're gonna specify the title of the module and what kind of delivery mode you want to put for this dedicated feature. For example, here it's a simple configuration for the install time. So once the application is installed on the device, so the feature, the dynamic feature will be automatically installed, and then you can put like a flag to say, okay, this feature can be removable or not. Conditional is a bit interesting here. So you're gonna define the installation, so it will be on demand. And we add like here a few conditions, like you can target like a device feature. For example, here I want my feature to target only the devices that have the telephony capabilities. Or then I want to like exclude all the devices that are from France. Or, for example, I want my feature to target a minimum SDK, so my user that are on Android 30 is like 11 or 12, 11, I think. Will be able like to use this feature, and then if my user is on the SDK 24, it won't be able like to have this new feature. Okay, so once you define your delivery mode on your code, you can like install and fetch this new feature. So with the library, so you can get the split install manager. You're gonna build your new request, and you can download as many modules as you want. You can download it like 1, 2, 3, 4 modules and so on. You can start the install right now, or you can defer it. Then do not forget like to notify the user, so they are like the listener if the node has been successful or if it has been failed. Once the node, the asset and the feature is not loaded, for example, if it's a brand new activity or service and so on, and in your code, you will be able like to start this new activity by using this new intent. So like you can create a new intent, set the class that is located in your module, and set the flags and so on. So to sum up a bit, the good thing about AAB, like it's reducing a lot the APK size you're delivering to your user. You can benefit from 2 very great features, so dynamic features and asset delivery. And it has a positive impact that it's reduced download time, it reduces the megabytes your users are downloading and so on. And on the opposite side, one few bad things is the AAB format cannot be directly installed on your device, so you will have to use a bundle tool or a third-party thing to download the app on your devices. And you are stuck with the Play Store ecosystem when you want to target this new AAB format. So back then I wrote like an article about our journey to Android App Bundle at Aircall. So if you are interested in a few things I told today about CI/CDs and the Android App Bundle, you can have a look. Thank you so much for listening to my talk about Android App Bundle, and make good use of it. Thank you.